The East Coast Railroad era, where the blue sea and railroad tracks meet. From afar the whistle's call can be heard, a dream painted within the scenery of the East Sea. On this path we walk together, golden sands on a sunlit beach, the scent of pine trees brushing past the train window, a landscape of white waves and railway blend. Our story stretches to the horizon of the sea. Eternal love, the East Coast Railroad era. The East Coast Railroad era, the ocean song carried by the waves, a train racing along the endless coastline. The dream we paint in this moment unfolds together with the endless sea. Sunsets love at Juncory Beach, the natural spring trails of Taku Hot Springs, 12 bridges, the scent of pine trees spreading at the edge of the East Coast. Footprints of lovers walking along the tracks. The train cuts through the night sky above Pohai steelworks. The East Coast Railroad era, the ocean song carried by the waves, a train racing along the endless coastline. The dream we paint in this moment unfolds together with the endless sea. Railway path through the pine forest, the train racing through the sea mist. On this road holding the mystery of the East Sea, we dream together. Eternal love, the East Coast Railroad era. The East Coast Railroad era, the ocean song carried by the waves, a train racing along the endless coastline. The dream we paint in this moment unfolds together with the endless sea. The melody of the sea and tracks meeting, the train keeps running, never stopping. Following the mystery of the East Coast, we'll walk this road forever. Eternal love,